Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're discussing why clothes shrink, even when you wash them in cold water. Most people think heat is the reason, but the real explanation comes from basic physics and chemistry. This isn't a laundry problem. Chemistry explains how molecular bonds hold fabric together. Physics explains energy, tension, and relaxation. Both act together to cause shrinkage. Clothes are not solid sheets. They're made of fibers, and fibers are made of long molecular chains called polymers. When clothes are made, fibers are pulled, spun, and woven under tension. This stretches the polymer chains and locks them in place. When fabric touches water, even cold water, water molecules enter the fibers and weaken the forces holding the chains stretched. Many fabrics are held together by hydrogen bonds. Water breaks these bonds temporarily. That gives the polymers freedom to move. Once the bonds weaken, the stretched polymers relax. They move toward a lower energy state. Lower energy means shorter length. When the fabric dries, new bonds form. But they form in this new, shorter position. That's why shrinkage is permanent. Washing also adds movement. Fibers twist and rub. In wool, tiny surface scales hook together, a process called felting. Heat doesn't cause shrinkage by itself. It just makes everything happen faster. So clothes shrink in cold water because water releases stored stress, breaks molecular bonds, and lets fibers relax into a smaller, lower energy shape. Next time clothes shrink, it's not bad washing. It's molecular physics doing exactly what it's supposed to do. If you found this useful, subscribe. Knowledge on Point 25 for more informative and educational videos.